shocking revelation from Joe Igokwe, an APC chieftain, alleged that the former CBN governor Godwin Emefiele owned the newly seized Abuja estate with 753 duplexes by the EFCC. The APC chieftain made the claim while reacting to the revelation by the EFCC earlier on Monday, on the 2nd of December. According to the EFCC, Justice Jude Onwubueze of the Federal High Court in Abuja gave the order in his judgment on Monday evening. Human rights activist and convener of Revolution Now movement, Omoyele Sowore, confirmed the development in a post on his X handle, formerly known as Twitter. Sowore, former presidential candidate of the African Action Congress (AAC) in the 2023 general elections, had noted on Monday that the EFCC is now afraid of big thieves and has become their public relations officer. Sowore wrote, "What is the name of the former top brass with 753 duplexes seized by the EFCC in Abuja?" In an update, the human rights activist said, "I just heard from the grapevine that the 753 duplexes forfeited by an FCT court in Apo belongs to Muhammadu Buhari's CBN governor, Godwin Emefiele." Recall that on the 2nd of December 2024, the EFCC said in a release that this was the single largest asset recovery by the commission since its inception in 2003, adding that Justice Jude Onwubueze gave a ruling on a final forfeiture of an estate resting on Plot 109 Cadastral Zone C09, Lokogoma District, Abuja. It's measuring 150,500 square meters and containing 753 units of duplexes and other apartments. We'll continue to monitor the story for more news updates. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.